What a guan, YouTube. And me, man, Mr. B. And of course, this past weekend, the Camperdown Classics rolled off at the National Stadium with a number of our senior athletes opening their season. Of course, the clash between the elder statesman of sprinting in Jamaica, Johan Blake, who clashed with his namesake, compatriot, and teammate, Akeem Blake. Blake nipped him at the line 6.63 over 60 meters. Blake finished 6.64. Pretty impressive season opener for both, and gives us, a taste of what we should expect as the 2023 season develops. And of course, remember, there is a whole heap of international competition that is out there over the next 2 years. At the same time, on the female side, young Brianna Williams, who had parted amicably with her former coach Otto Bolden and is now working out with the Titans team over there in Jamaica. She also started her season with a 60-meter dash as well, where she ran a brisk 7.22 seconds. Jura Levy finished second in the event with 7.34. And over at the Tyson Invitational, young Tia Clayton getting a first taste of running professionally at an indoor meet, the Tyson Invitational. Of course, Tina Clayton finished third in her final, running 7.38. But again, remember, this is Tina's first year as a professional athlete, so, a good indication of the kind of talent and promise. And just to remind everybody, the double Olympic champion, Elaine Thompson-Hera, running at the Karsten Warholm Classic over there in Norway, ran a pedestrian, if you will, 7.30. But just to remind everybody, keep them honest, that she's there. So, pretty good start to the season for a number of these athletes. Wanna just get a feedback from you guys out there, what you think, what expectations you have of these athletes as the season lengthens, and as we go towards the World Championships that is on its way. Let me hear your thoughts. Let me read your thoughts in the comments section. Give me a feedback, and if you haven't signed up yet for the site, subscribe, and if you like the video, hit the like button and share. But give me a feedback. Let me know what you think. Alrighty, and me, man, Mr. B, same way.